It's always exciting getting ready to head out on a trip. This is 2024. We have a lot of work we have to do around the house when we come home every year and trying to get ready to go, whether it's working on the farm, building a fence, or working around the house. There's getting the camper washed and all the prep on that, as well as loading everything back in the camper and finally hooking up to leave. So hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit of us leaving. Please like and subscribe to follow us on our adventures. The one nice thing about Florida is we have great weather for the winter and gives us an opportunity to get things done around the house. Um, get the yard back in order, work on things around the house, redo anything we need done on the camper, build fences as necessary, and just get the camper ready to go. Any maintenance work, we do all that. We do, of course, doctor's appointments and all of our any business we have. We try to get that done while we're home so that we can head out and enjoy our year. We try to do as much maintenance and preventative maintenance on the camper as we can. Anything we see, and this is just a little bit of us getting ready to go. We finally got everything done and was approaching the day to leave, and we realized that it was going to be bad weather. So we decided to leave a day early and beat the rain and the storms. And we got up at like 2 a.m. so we could beat the bad traffic. I-75 gets really nasty in the wintertime, especially. So we wanted to get up and beat the traffic, and we did. But man, it was a long day. But we did beat the traffic, and we got there before the rain. So here's a little bit of how we hook up the trailer. I've showed Vic driving this trailer before, but this is an example of what makes this so nice for us hooking up. Because backing the camper up to the trailer,
Our rear tires.
it can be done, but
I
it's
heard
not
something.
pretty. And this is just a way easier way for us to get it hooked up and to make
Go
our
ahead.
lives a little bit easier.
You're moving.
Oh, it's spinning.
I think your tire. It's all that grass. And this is how you hook up a trailer. I hope you've enjoyed our video. Please like, subscribe,
and leave a comment. So, see you later. Vic is going to let the air out of the airbags to lower the camper so that he can finish driving this up.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind.